morning all. Today we are going to discuss about genetic codon. Genetic code. Genetic code. So what is meant by genetic code, sir? Code is a collection of symbol. Code is collection of symbols which having genetic information. Having genetic information. Genetic information. That is nothing but code. Codon. So what is meant of genetic code, sir? Genetic code is nothing but genetic code transcribe the genetic information from DNA to RNA. Transcribe the genetic information. Transcribe the genetic information from DNA to RNA. DNA to RNA in the form of code. Transcribe the genetic information from DNA to RNA in the form of code. Since that is a genetic code. DNA store the genetic information. DNA store the genetic information in the form of adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. Stores. But RNA, when transcribe the genetic information from DNA to RNA, so genetic information is stored in the RNA, adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. In place of thymine, uracil is present in RNA. We know that already. Uracil. Then, important one, there is a naturally 20 amino acids are there. 20 amino acids. Before going to that, genetic codon could direct the amino acids. Very important, could direct the amino acid which is involved in a polypeptide bond. Polypeptide bond, nothing but protein. So which of the following could direct the amino acid means genetic codon could direct the amino acid which is involved in polypeptide. So generally there is a 20 amino acids are present naturally. So for 20 amino acids, 20 or more than 20 codons are required. 20 or more than 20 codons are required. Very important. Naturally 20 amino acids. For 20 amino acids, 20 codons, genetic codon or more than 20 genetic codons are present. Generally genetic codon present on mRNA, that I already told you. Genetic codon present on codons are present on mRNA, anticodons are present on tRNA. I was already given that information. Next, this is generally 20. So from these onwards, some history and importance of genetic code given by some scientists. That's I giving now. See, 4 scientists, George Gamow, Marshall Nirenberg, Hergovin Corona, Severo Oka. These four scientists contribute the importance of genetic codon. So which of the following scientists are explain the genetic information, explain the importance of genetic codon? George Gamow, Marshall Nirenberg and Hergovin Corona, Severo Oka. One by one. George Gamow, sir. George Gamow proposed that all genetic codons are derived from 3 nucleotides. Genetic codon is derived from complementary bases, nitrogen bases. Then genetic codon is collected from 3 nucleotides from 4 nitrogen bases. So according to George Gamow, I am giving here. According to George Gamow, then genetic codon derived from 3 nucleotides. So from 4 nitrogen bases, 3 nucleotides from 4 nitrogen bases. So 4 nitrogen bases, each one having 3 capacity. So 4 cube equal to 4 into 4 into 4. There is a 64 codons are possible. So 64 codons, among 64 codons, 61 only active codons. 61 only active codon for 20 amino acid. 3 codons are stop codon, does not code for anything. 3 codons are stop codon, they does not code for anything. So what George Gamow proposed that? George Gamow proposed that genetic codon derived from complementary bases from each codon collected from 3 nucleotides 3 nucleotides from nitrogen bases. So 4 nitrogen bases we have. So 4 cube equal to 64 codons are possible. From 64 codon, 61 only active for the amino acid. Remaining 3 does not code for anything. Next, Hargovin Corona. Hargovin Corona. Hargovin Corona. Hargovin Corona. A scientist, what he explains? He explains chemically synthesized RNA. Signature point. Chemically synthesized RNA. Chemically synthesized RNA. Instrumental synthesized RNA by copolymers is nothing but Hargovin Corona. Signature word. Genetic codon derived from 3 nucleotides. George Gamow. Chemically synthesized RNA given by Hargovin Corona. Marshall Nirenberg. Marshall Nirenberg giving cell-free system. Marshall Nirenberg giving cell-free system for protein synthesis. Marshall Nirenberg. So we know that generally per protein genetic codons required. Genetic codon is nothing but mRNA. According to central dogma, DNA to mRNA, mRNA to protein. So cell-free system. Generally protein synthesis takes place in the cell. But here without a cell in the test tube. Cell-free system using to prepare the protein by Marshall Nirenberg. Last scientist Severo Oka. What he given that? Enzymatic RNA synthesis. This is a mainly important one. 4 scientists are contribute the genetic codon. Important genetic codon. So genetic codon 4. This is the 4 scientists contributed. So I am going to explain now how 64 codons are possible, sir. See here. This is nothing but genetic codon. Just now I told na genetic codon 64 codons are possible from 4 nitrogen bases. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nitrogen bases. 4 into 4 into 4. 64 codons are possible. Among 64 codons, 61 only code for amino acid. 3 does not code for anything. This is the first position letter. UCAG. This is second position. UCAG. Third position also UCAG only. How to write sir these codons are? First letter U, second letter U, third letter U. U, triple U. UUC, UUC, UUA, UUG. देखो UUG. Next UC, first letter U. UCU, UCC, yeah. UCA, this is UCA. UCG, this is UCG. So next UAU, UAC, UAA, UAG, this is. Next UGU, UGC, UGA, UGG, like that. So here next first CUU, like this. CUU, CUC, CUA, CUG, like that. Next AUU, AUC, AUA, AUG, like that. So here we frame this there is chances of 64 codons. So among 64 codons, these 61 only 64 codons are possible here. 61 only active. 61 code for active. 61 only coded for amino acid. 3 does not code for anything. This is UAA, UAG, UGA. These are the stop codons. Does not code for anything. Remaining codons are code for some amino acid. For example, UUU, triple U, phenylalanine. UUC, phenylalanine. UUA, leucine. UUG, leucine. Next, UCU, SCR means serine. UCC, serine. UCA, serine. UCG, these are all serine. Next, UAU, tyrosine, TYR. UAC, tyrosine, TYR. Next, Next UGU cysteine CYS, UGC CYS cysteine, UGG tryptophan. Next CUU leucine, CUC leucine, CUA leucine, LUU means leucine, CUG leucine, CCU proline, CCC proline, CCA proline, CCG proline, PRO means proline, CAU histidine, HAS means histidine, CAC histidine, CAA glutamic acid. Here very important. Not glutamic acid, glutamine. GLN means glutamine. GLN. CAA CAG means glutamine. It code for the amino acid glutamine. CGU arginine. ARG means arginine. CGC ARG arginine. CGA arginine. CGG also arginine. AUU isoleucine. ILE means isoleucine. AUC isoleucine. AUA code for isoleucine. AUG code for methionine. Very important. Methionine. ACU threonine. THR means threonine. ACC threonine. ACA threonine. ACG threonine. AAU ASN means aspargine. Aspargine. ASN aspargine. AAC aspargine. AAA lysine. AAA lysine. LYS means AAG lysine only. AGU serine. SER means serine, already told. AGC serine. AGA arginine. AGG arginine. GUA valid. VAL means valid. GUU, GUC, GUA, GUG. These are all code for the valid. GCU, ALA means alanine. GCU, GCC, GCA, GCG, alanine only. GAU, aspartic acid. ASP means aspartic acid. GAC, aspartic acid. GAA, GLU means glutamic acid. GAG, glutamic acid. Next, GGU, GLY means glycine. GGU, GGC, GGA, triple G, GGG. That is all code for the glycine. These are very important 64 codons. Among 64, 61 only code for the amino acid. So how many active codons are there means 61 only. 3 does not code for anything. That does not UAA, UAG, UGA does not code for anything. So we call it as a stop codons. One more important here. Only one codon for only one amino acid. Remaining double are there. UGG tryptophan. So tryptophan coded by only one codon, that is UGG. Very important. AUG methionine, that is also only one codon. Very important question. Which are the following genetic codon having only, which are the following genetic codon code for only one type of amino acid? Dekho, some amino acid only one codon only here. AUG methionine. No other codon for methionine. Or no other codon for methionine. Methionine does not having any other codon. The codon which having only code for only one amino acid, that is AUG. Which are the following codon having only one type, only one amino acid only there? Or which are the following amino acid having only one codon? AUG, methionine, UGG, tryptophan. Very important. Some are different there. That is comes in a features of genetic code. Now I am going to give the features of genetic code now. Important. So that is a 5-mark question theory. Important. 5 marks question theory important. Features of genetic code. Features. Genetic code features. Features of genetic codon. First one, triplet. I'll write the codon is a triplet. Codon is a triplet. Codon is a triplet. So codon is a triplet means every codon consists of 3 nucleotides. Every codon consists of 3 nucleotides. So from 4 any codon, W 3, ACC 3, UGU 3 only now. So from 4 nitrogen bases, 3 codons. So that's why 4 cube, then 4 into 4 into 4, then 64 codons are there. Among 64 codon, 61 only code for the active amino acid. 3 does not code for anything. Those are stop codon. Stop codons. UAA, UAG, UGA. Just now I given. This is a codon is a triplet. Very important. Codon is triplet. Second, codon is unambiguous. Unambiguous. Codon is unambiguous means one codon code for only one specific amino acid. One codon code for only one specific amino acid. W code for only phenylalanine. Example. does not code for anything. Very important. But some exception, U code for phenylalanine, U in presence of streptomycin, U code for serine, lysine also. Sometimes exceptions. Remaining one codon code for only one amino acid, particular amino acid, that is unambiguous feature. Next, third feature, codon is unambiguous. Codon is a universal. Codon universal. Universal means from bacteria to human. Bacteria to human being. Bacteria to human being. Anywhere the codon code for specific amino acid. They cannot change. Except some codon. Some mitochondrial and some protozoan codons. So codon from bacteria to human beings, always same codon, same amino acid. Except mitochondrial and protozoan codons. U code for phenylalanine. Bacteria also phenylalanine, human being also phenylalanine. U code for in bacteria phenylalanine, human being also phenylalanine only. That is important, universal. Next, codon degeneracy. Codon degeneracy. Degeneracy or degenerate. Some amino acids are coded by more than one codon. Some amino acids are coded by more than one codon. Just now I given. For example, valine, GUU, GUC, GUG, GUA. These are all codon for valine only. Some amino acid coded by more than one codon. Those are called degeneracy. Valine. Next feature. Codons are commaless. Commaless. Commaless means no commas, no punctuations, no full stop, no comma. Codons are commaless, straightly only, linear fashion, right? GUU, GUC, EWU, AUG, like that. We need to linear fashion, no comma, no full stop. Codons are commaless. So, remaining. Codons are overlapping. I'll write here. Codons are overlapping. No overlapping. No overlapping. No overlapping none. Linear fashion. Contiguous fashion. No overlapping codons are. Some codons having dual function. Some codons having dual role. Dual function. Example for this, AUG codon. AUG is a starting codon. Act as a starting codon. Not only that, AUG code for methionine also. AUG code for methionine. Not only that, AUG act also starting codon. Some codons are dual role. Very important features. 5 mark question. Codon is a triplet. Means every codon consists of 3 letters. From 4 nitrogen bases, 64 possible, 61 only active, 3R does not code for anything. Stop codons. Codon unambiguous. Unambiguous means one codon code for one specific amino acid. U code for phenylalanine. In exemption, some exemption, in presence of streptomycin, U code for serine. Codon universal. Bacteria to human being, always. Bacteria to human being, always same. U code for phenylalanine only. Exception, mitochondrial and protozoan codons. Codon degeneracy. Some amino acids are coded by more than one codon. GUU, GUC, GUG, GUA. Valid. 4 codons are there. So many there in the table I have given. Commaless, no comma, no full stop, no punctuations. Codons are linear, straight. Codons are linear fashion. Codons are no overlapping, contiguous, linear, straight. Some codons having dual functions. AUG, dual role. AUG starting codon and also code for methionine. Very important features. This is a features of genetic codon. From these, sometimes question how they are chance to ask. Genetic codon. Codons are genetic codon. For example, I will write here AUG, UUA, UUC, then GUG. This is right. This is the codon present on mRNA. Write down the amino acid. AUG methionine. You need to write no comma, no full stops. Phenylalanine, GUG valine. here AUG, triple U again, next GUA, next UUC, next UAA. How many amino acids are present in this codon? Note down first: methionine, phenylalanine, here GUA means valine, UUC phenylalanine, UAA terminatory codon, stop codon, not code for the any amino acid. So how many amino acids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 amino acids. But how many codon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 codons. This is terminator codon, stop codon. Sometimes questions may chance to ask. For sometimes in mRNA they are going to could direct the amino acids. 50 amino acid, then they are going to direct that. But 25th amino acid, 25th codon UGA, 25th codon UGA. So how many amino acids are formed, sir? 25th codon UGA means first AUG, for example. 25th is a UGA. Then UGA means terminator codon, stop codon, does not code for anything. Amino acid not there. Actually 50, but if 25th codon mutate to UGA, so this is no amino acid. 24 only possible. So how many amino acids are possible? 24 amino acids. This is nothing but genetic codon, important features, and how going to questions also may chance to ask. Any doubts? You may chance to ask.